Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking My Way with your girl Nifa. As you can tell by the title, I'm doing pork chops, mixed vegetables, and yellow rice. We're gonna try to make it yellow. Alright, so let's get started. So, over here I have some pork chops been marinated. This is the seasoning that I use, because I know y'all gonna say, well, what did you use? I use this, these two, and some Worcestershire sauce. That's it. I didn't use anything else. So I'm gonna go ahead and put those in the oven so they can get going. But over here I do have my onions, peppers, and some fat back meat kind of sauteing a little bit for my vegetables, and which again won't take a long time. Nothing ain't gonna take a long time, y'all, so let's go. Okay, y'all, so my special guest is my mother, which some of you have seen her before. She's gonna do the vegetables. I'm just spraying my pan so that my meat won't stick. Just a little bit of pan. Spraying out low. So, yeah. She's gonna do the vegetables real quick. She's gonna explain y'all. She's gonna explain to you all what she did with her vegetables and how she got it going, okay? In the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and plate this up.
I just sauteed some meat earlier, some salt pork, and then I just put some onions. She had some frozen onions, peppers, and celery, and I just put them in the pot and sauteed them a little bit. Now I'm gonna add the frozen vegetables to this. Open this, add this to the vegetables, the sauteed vegetables I have, and the meat. I only add the meat because the meat gives it a flavor, help. So
what kind of meat is it?
It's what do you call it? Salt pork, strickling. I'm trying to see if this is gonna be enough vegetables for us. You think this enough?
Yeah, one bag should be enough.
I doubt it.
Also, should I cover these with aluminum foil?
No.
I don't
think so. It's not gonna be enough vegetables for how many people here? 5? It's 5 of us. And then what I'm gonna do?
So little.
That's big enough for what we need to do.
Yeah, let's put these chops in the oven.
Hey, just give me a moment. Go on and do what you do.
Sorry, y'all.
Go on and do what you do.
I'm gonna put these in.
I forgot it's both of us cooking. Am I in the way?
The oven is set at 350. Go.
And what I do with this, I should have added a little bit of water. You know how many chicken broth?
This chicken broth. We got some chicken broth.
Some of this chicken stock into these veggies.
Chicken stock?
Yeah, just a little bit so it can start steaming. Just enough. I don't know. I'm trying to see by how much. Maybe about 2 cups, maybe. I think that's enough. Yeah, we're gonna put the top on this.
That's different, y'all.
And we're gonna let this go. It's frozen. Look, I can't even stir it because it's frozen. But once it comes to a boil,
you need to put seasonings on.
We're gonna put a little something in it to perk up the taste. So let this come to a boil, and then we'll come back later and add a little bit of season, a little salt, a little bit, maybe a little something without the salt, but a little bit, a little pepper. Okay?
A little high, a little whole. I don't know, y'all know I don't measure, so I don't know how many cups. 2.5 cups?
Yeah.
Or 2 cups? I guess. Yep. Just like that.
Just like that.
Just gonna rinse my rice. We rinse the starch off the rice. That's why we call it washing. See how cloudy that is and milky looking that is? You keep doing that until it's clear. Ooh, that water cold. That water ice cold. I already got a little water in here, so I'm just adding some chicken stock. Chicken stock to my rice, yeah, y'all. Add some flavor. Y'all better add some flavor to y'all food. Don't be eating no bland stuff. No, no. Add some flavor. I'm just gonna use it. I'm gonna rinse it off. Because if I don't, somebody gonna come for me. So we're gonna let this come to a boil, and once all the liquid boiled out of it, it'll be ready. But in the meantime, I'm gonna add some olive oil to keep it from sticking. What, Star?
Olive oil.
Okay, about a teaspoon or a tablespoon. Again, for those of you who are new, I do not measure. I just cook.
Because that's what you're supposed to do, right? What are you cooking? What is that?
So according to how y'all stove cook, you have to cook according to your stove. I don't know, some people stove cook fast, slow. I don't know. Cook to high. Cook the rice on high.
What are you cooking?
Ooh,
in the pot?
Ma, your vegetables are boiling. Yeah. They boiling. They boiling. They boiling. They boiling.
Okay, the vegetables are starting to cook now. I turned the stove down. It's cooking a little bit too fast. I gotta taste and see what I need. So this is how I taste. I just get a little bit of juice, put it in my hand. Yeah, I need a little something. So, not bad. I gotta try that again. Hold up.
Not bad.
Okay.
Can you enhance it a little more?
Yum. That's good.
You need one of these?
Yeah. No. Yeah.
Because I had one here.
Okay, I'll take a little seasoning.
What's the name of that?
This is Sazon. You can't get this everywhere. Sazon Goya.
Add some seasoning to your food, people. Add some flavor.
There you go. You let this cook just a little bit, at least till the corn get a little tender. You can turn it down at this point and let it just steam. Go
Now taste
finish.
Now taste
And
your
then,
juice.
well, really, only thing really got to get done is the green beans. I don't like my green beans tasting raw.
Ooh, you put that spoon back in the pot.
That's a little bit better. I didn't put it to my mouth the first time. I put the water in my hand.
I'm gonna come up with a trivia question for y'all, okay?
Don't even try it, girl. You know, I don't play stuff like so. This helped to enhance the vegetables a little bit. Put a little bit of sugar. I rinsed this spoon off already, ladies and gentlemen. I'm not crazy like that. I don't lick off my spoon and then put it back in the pot.
But if you're the only person eating, then I mean, yeah.
I still wouldn't do it if I'm the only one eating. I wouldn't do it.
Well, there you have it.
I just don't do things like that. I gotta taste this green bean. I know it's frozen.
Supposed to have a little bite to it. Ooh. See, it bit
What? It didn't bite me.
You
Nasty.
jump like it bit you.
Yum.
Oh my gosh. That's the wrong head.
Yum. That's gonna be good. And then later, I'm gonna put a little bit of butter in it. That's what I like to do.
See, my rice is bubbling, y'all. This is what you want your rice to do, to get cooked rice. For those of you who don't know how to cook rice, just let it cook. Take your time and cook. Don't be in a hurry, okay? Some people cook things different. That's why over here on this channel it's cooking my way, because I do it my way. You do it your way, and I'm gonna do it my way. Okay? So somebody gonna understand how to cook this rice. You see those little holes down in there? Let me get another aim. Let's see, now the rice is steaming. It's cooking really, really good. All that water, all the liquid has evaporated in there. And you hear that frying? Turn it down. Turn it all the way down. Give it 15 minutes on low, 1, however your stove cook, and I promise you, you'll have cooked rice. Okay? Oh, look at that.
They done.
Them ready, y'all.
If you want to get a little brown on the top, put the broiler on. You gotta check the top ones.
Oh, they're nice and tender.
This is your spoon.
If you want a brown on the top, just turn the broiler on.
Alright, now it's time for the butter.
Real butter. There you go. Cook down.
Y'all, them pork chops gonna be good.
I need to get over here, lady.
You do?
Okay. Turn this down.
Turn it down on what?
This.
2, 1.
You want to put the broiler on?
Why don't I just sit them up here?
Okay, and then put them down on the bottom. That's good.
Could get a little charness to it, y'all.
Yeah. It won't be in there about 10, 15 minutes. It'll be ready to eat.
Okay, you guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below. Follow us at _PictureUsRolling. That's our Instagram. We also have a gaming channel, guys, that I need to remember to promote. It's called PictureUsRolling 2, and it's all together. Okay. You can also comment on the community tab at the top of our page. Again, thank you for watching. We love y'all. We'll see y'all in the next video. I know I said I was going to make yellow rice, but I forgot as I was cooking, so we just have some white rice. We love y'all. See y'all in the next one. Bye.